Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This week's video is going to be just a little bit different than what you're used to if you usually watch my channel, but it is in response to two of the videos that I made a few weeks ago, mostly this one here about how I make $45,000 a month and is it possible to make $30,000 a month on Etsy. Most of the comments were very positive and uplifting, but then there were quite a few that either said I was lying, that there's no way that I would be on YouTube if I made this type of money on Etsy. And while all my numbers are fully verifiable just by looking at sales on Etsy or using a tool like eRank to look at numbers, or even marketpulse.com, which will tell you the exact numbers, and then you just have to do a little bit of math, I realized that I only shared screenshots, and apparently that is not acceptable. So I wanted to make this quick video in response to those people and let them see in the back office, do a little bit of refreshing in lifetime so that there is no argument, because you can't really argue with data or numbers or being actually in the account. So that being said, I'm going to go ahead and refresh my screen right here. And this is going to make sure that I am in my account, which is Bailey Designed Co. I'm going to switch over to the dashboard so that you can see I'm moving in and out of everything, and then click on stats here. And since the videos were for the last 7 months, because I made this video last month, I'm going to pull the stats for the 7 months that I said it was for. So I will change this to 12/1/22 till the end of June. Oops, there's not 31 days. Click apply. And I'm sorry, I do think that this is funny. I am laughing to myself about this, that I am recording this, but it's what it is. So as you can see, for exactly 7 months, December to June, is $318,542.61. So let's pull out this calculator here. Divide that by 7 months, which is 45,506.08. I was off by $1. Sorry about that. And the next question I'll get is, well, how much did you actually make after processing fees and after Etsy listing fees, and how much ads were you running? So we'll take it a step further and show the ads. I've mentioned this in several other videos. I run $150 a day on ad spend, so that is about $42.80 is what it always ends up being. It's a little less than $150. And then if you use any type of Etsy calculator, you'll know that between the listing fees, the transaction fee, the payment processing fee, it's about 24% in fees. And this is off of my normal price for any given product in my shop. So I do always use that number and subtract 24%. So $10,000, a little over $10,000 in Etsy fees, leaving me $34,584. And then I will go ahead and minus my ad spend, which is $42.80, leaving me with $30,304 in profit each month. And yes, I still have to take out taxes after that, but that is where I was going with this video, saying, is it possible to make $30,000 a month? Because I do. So hopefully this was transparent and answers any questions for you as to my numbers and where I am getting them. And I will be sure to tag all of you. I've been keeping a nice list just to go back and make sure that you are all taken care of and that you've been answered as far as your questions. And the other question as to why I'm on YouTube, because I actually do enjoy teaching. I'm very transparent that I do have a course and I have many students that I teach, among other things. So that is why I'm on here, to deliver as much valuable and free content to those out there who are trying to sell on Etsy at the level that I do, or even, you know, a small percentage of what I do. That is why I'm on here. So hopefully this was helpful, and thanks for watching.